So what's happening?
So my concealer got stuck. We gotta take that off.
Damn.
No, the lighting is horrible.
It's not even coming off with that. Why do I want to go shopping? I'm such a girl. Don't make me look ugly though. Okay. Oh god, I forgot everything.
Artlist.io.
So today I definitely woke up feeling super overwhelmed where I was crying. But we're gonna do a video where I am a Latina living in Florida. We're just gonna do a little video today on exactly what a day in my life is. I haven't worked over a year, like a real job. I do side hustles and I'm also growing my business. That's super exciting. I'm not saying to not work. I am actually going to show you guys exactly the mistakes I have done with my businesses. I started entrepreneurship very young and I've done, well, not as young as a lot of people write on social media now, but I made so many mistakes that I don't want you to make. Like, I don't want you to make. Like, social media is a place where people are freaking lying to you. They are lying to you. It takes time, it takes discipline, it takes your mindset. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my room, you know, make my bed and get ready for the day. One little hack when you're getting ready is to always look your best, because if you look your best, you're going to feel so confident whoever you speak to, whoever you come around with. And it's so important in business to always just look representable, because if you don't look representable, who's really going to take you serious? My point really is like when you're 18, you don't know what you want. Like, your parents might tell you, hey, get like a finance degree, get this type of degree, but like you need to really know what you want, because this is what your career is going to be for 30 years. Like, you need to, yes, be passionate, but also like make sure that you're getting in a career that's going to make you money. Especially like if you don't want that career long term, make sure it helps you educate yourself. And like if you like doing YouTube, if you like doing maybe sales. 18 and 19, like, get a sales job. I feel like you need to get out of your comfort zone instead of like doing everything that your friends are doing, especially if you really want to be different and stand out and be successful. Success is something that it's like this, right? One day it's going great, one day it's not. And that's where I feel like if you need a degree to just fund your business, you know, help you make some money, fund your business. But if you're in a sales job, it's helping you with your communication. It's helping you how to be more confident, speak to people. And that's going to help you in building your own business, right? So I think it's so important to learn how to just not go to college and stay in your comfort zone, just talking to your classmates that are all your age, really not learning a lot of big things from each other. If you guys are learning things from each other, make sure that you guys are learning how to just not make money in school or in college or in a career, but learn how to make money by doing other type of things. So guys, this is one of my Airbnbs and I do the cleaning because I like extra income for now. But once I have enough, right, my portfolio is big, I'm gonna have some cleaners here. Also guys, if something's wrong with like one Airbnb house, like all the time, and you have people like breaking stuff in that certain area or whatnot, you kind of want to check into it. No one's going to promote your business like you are. So always make sure there's toilet paper for your guests. If not, they will write a really bad review on you. Bathrooms have to be clean. Obviously I clean it well, but throughout the week, if it gets dusty or the last guests just have sex on them, I'm kidding, that doesn't happen. But you just want to make sure it's like so clean, because anyone that walks into Airbnb, they're gonna be like disgusted, you know, it's not clean. A little tip, you know, you can definitely start your Airbnb portfolio with business funding, credit funding. That's actually how I expect to expand my portfolio, because using your own capital is is great. Using your own capital is amazing. However, sometimes using your own capital limits you, right? So fixing your credit score is so important because you can expand your business into Airbnb, whatever business you have. Airbnb, I would say it is kind of the safest, especially if you're doing rental arbitrage, people that already own the homes and they can't really manage it themselves. But if you guys want to get into that, I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can understand that and we can get on a call and I can definitely show you guys how it's done. Okay. So one important thing that I highly recommend is anyone that ever, like, if your air conditioning is messed up or something is messed up in the Airbnb that you are just getting booked, you don't have time to really fix it throughout that, is always leaving a note. Like right now, we don't have time or someone yet that I have found to kind of do something in a doorknob, and they're always locking themselves out. This is what I put, do not lock the door, because although we have this, security reasons, and then the keypad lock, we also want to make sure that they're not locking here, because if they lock here, it'll completely lock them out. So I'll just put that right here. Okay guys, let's leave now and get back to work on other stuff.
¿Me quieres? No me quieres. Ya, claro que te alejes. No me quieres. Ya, claro que me dejes.